Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with class 10th quadratic equations. Nature of roots. What is the meaning of nature of roots? We know that general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So roots can be determined by using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This already I have done it. So in this, b square minus 4ac has got a specific name that is called as discriminant. It is called discriminant and it is also denoted by a letter D. So basing on the value of D, nature of roots are determined. How? If D value is greater than 0, the roots are called real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct if D is greater than 0. So graphically they are represented as parabola with negative values, two values. Here parabola with one positive, one negative value. Here also parabola with two positive values. That means what we are understanding? The parabola intersects x-axis at 2 points. So if D is greater than 0, that is discriminant is greater than 0, there will be two solutions. This is first part. And second one is, if D is equal to 0, that means b square minus 4ac value is 0. The roots are real and equal. That means only one answer will be there for them. So graphically they are represented as left side means a negative answer or 0 or positive answer. So parabola intersects x-axis at only one point. So if D is equal to 0, there will be only one solution. Okay children, introduction part. Up to this I have given. Next one I will see in the next page. Please slowly I am showing it to you. So please write down all this as introduction in your classwork. Now the third point, if D value is negative, less than 0, that means if discriminant is negative, then the roots are unreal roots. That means they can be called as complex roots or imaginary roots. Either roots are called unreal roots or complex roots or imaginary roots. Graphically, they are represented as, parabola is not touching x-axis at all. Parabola does not touch x-axis, hence there will not be any solutions. So you have got discriminant as 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0. So basing on this, a table I have written children. So first one, if discriminant is, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, nature of roots are real and distinct. Second one, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Third one, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are called unreal roots or imaginary roots or complex roots. So this is a total gist of nature of the roots children. Now you have got an example 14. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation, that is given as quadratic equation is, find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 and hence find the nature of roots. So what is quadratic equation? 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So let us find out discriminant D, that is b square minus 4ac. B is minus 4, that is x coefficient minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. That is minus 4 square is 16, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So its value is minus 8. That means the discriminant is less than 0. So roots of the given equation is roots are. Don't write is a children here, it is are. Roots are. Roots are unreal. Okay, children? So this is the next part of it. Please copy it. This is the table and example 14. Now example 15, children. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 meters in such a way that the difference of its distances from the two diametrically opposite fixed gates A and B on the boundary is 7 meters. Is it possible to do so? If yes, what distances from the two gates should the pole be erected? So, what is that they have given, children? There is a circular boundary, circular park it is. So, P is the point where the pole needs to be erected, and this is the diameter AB. Diameter is 13 meters they have said. So, at A and at B, two gates have to be placed. So, in this case, where should the pole should be kept? Means he is asking to find out what is the PB distance and what is AP distance. So let us see this. PB, the pole erected point. Here the pole should be erected. AB is diameter of the circular park 13 meters. PB is the distance between the pole and gate B. Pole and gate B. We are considering it as X meters. And AP is the distance between pole and gate A. So, what is the problem says? According to the problem, the distance, the difference in the distance. The problem is saying that they are the difference between the gates. The distances, the question I'll read it here, you see. The circular park of a pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 13 as a diameter 13 in such a way that the difference of its distances from two diametrically opposite fixed gates. See, diametrically two opposite fixed gates. Yes, the difference is how much they are saying? 7 meters. That means if I take 1 as x, AP minus PB is equal to 7 meters. AP is equal to 7 meters plus PB when it goes here. So, PB is x, that is 7 plus x means x plus 7. Now, when you take triangle APB, see children, in triangle APB, angle P is 90 degrees. So, AB square is equal to PB square plus AP square, Pythagoras theorem. So, that is what I have done. AB square is equal to AP square plus PB square. So, AB is 13. 13 square is equal to x square plus x plus 7 whole square. 169 is equal to x square plus a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. That is 169 is equal to x square plus 14x plus 49. 169 is equal to 2x square plus 14x plus 49. That is 2x square plus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 14x, 149, 49 and 169. If you subtract, you are getting minus 120 is equal to 0. So here what did I do? I have taken 2 as common. 2 into x square plus 7x minus 60 is 0. That is x square plus 7x minus 60 is 0. Now the question is, see what did they ask? Once again, let us go back and see. Is it possible to do so? That means, are you going to get a pole erected at that particular point? So, we have to find out first p square minus 4ac so that we can find out the roots. If the roots are real only, it is possible, otherwise it is not possible. So b square is 7 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c minus 60. 49 minus into minus plus 240, that is 289. 289 is a positive value, so b square minus 4s is greater than 0. Therefore, it is possible to erect the pole. So, what is the possibility? Means where the x value, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is the formula which we have learned. So, minus b minus 7 plus or minus root 289 by 2. That is minus 7 root 289 means 17. So, plus or minus 17 by 2. That means minus 7 plus 17 by 2 or minus 7 minus 17 by 2. That means what? Minus 7 plus 17 means 10 by 2, that is 5, or minus 24 by 2 minus 12. So, we cannot take negative values, so we have to take positive values. X value is 5 means what is x, children? X is PB. So, PB is 5 and AP is x plus 7. So, AP is equal to x plus 7, 5 plus, that is x plus 7, that is 5 plus 7, 12 meters. So, PB is 5 meters, AP is 12 meters is the answer, children. So, this is the entire problem. Please copy it. Bit by bit, to try to understand, children. This is very important. So, now example 16, children. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0, and hence find the nature of the roots. Find them if they are real. If real roots are there, then only it is possible to find the roots. So, quadratic equation given. What is given quadratic equation? 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So, discriminant D is b square minus 4ac. B is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square minus 4 into A. A is x square coefficient, that is 3, into C is 1 by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So, minus 2 square is 4, minus 4 is 0. D is 0. That means the roots are real and equal. So, since roots are real, roots are possible, they are asking you to find out the roots also. So, what is the formula? X is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So, x is equal to minus b. So, what is b? It is minus 2. So, minus of minus 2 plus or minus b square minus 4ac. We have got it as a 0. So, we will be taking it as 0 by 2 into a. So, a is 3. So, 2 into 3. So, it is nothing but plus minus into minus plus 2 by 2 into 3. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 1 by 3. So, x value is 1 by 3, the comma 1 by 3, 2 equal roots you have got. This is the sum, children. That is example 16. Example 16 you have got this. Please copy. Next, you have exercise 5.4. So, in exercise 5.4, first one is find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. If real roots exist, find them. So, first bit is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is 0. So, find out b square minus 4ac. Minus 3 whole square, b is minus 3, minus 4 into a is 2 into 5. So, 3 3s are 9 minus 40, that is minus 31. So, b square minus 4ac is a negative, less than 0. So, the roots do not exist. So, when the roots are not existing, there is no question of finding them. Second question, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So, b square minus 4ac minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 into 4. So, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are root 3 into root 3 is 3. 16 3s are 48 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48, that is 0. So, b square minus 4ac is 0 means roots are real and equal. So find out the roots. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is minus of minus 4 root 3. B value is this, plus or minus 0 by 2 into 3. That means 4 root 3 by 2 into 3. Okay. So 4 root 3 by 2 into 3 means what you are getting? 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 root 3 by 3. That is 2 root 3 by 3. Roots are real and equal. So both are 2 root 3 by 3 and 2 root 3 by 3. So these are the answers for the first problem of exercise 5.4, children. Please note it down. Now first problem, third bit. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is b minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. 36 minus 24. So 12. So b square minus 4 is greater than 0. So roots are real and distinct. Two answers you will be getting. So x value is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus of b is minus 6 plus or minus root 12 by 2 into a is 2. Here 2 is there, so a is 2. That is 6 plus or minus 12. 12 means what you can see, 3 4s are. 4 will come out as 2 root 3 by 4. So 6 plus 2 root 3 by 4 or 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4. So here I am taking 2 as a common. 2 into 3 plus root 3 by 4 or 2 into 3 minus root 3 by 2. That is 3 plus root 3 by 2 or 3 minus root 3 by 2 are the solutions for the first problem, third bit, children. Now second problem. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Two equal roots means what? See, the first bit 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal because equal roots are there. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B is how much? K. K square minus 4 into a is 2 into c 3 is equal to 0. K square minus 4 into 4, that is k square minus 24 is equal to 0. K square is 24. K is root 24. So 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. So instead of 2 2s, 1 2 comes out and 2 3s are 6. 2 root 6. So k value is what? Plus or minus 2 root 6 is the answer, children. So this is second bit. This is third bit of the first problem. And this is second problem, first bit. Now second problem, second bit. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. That means kx square minus kx into 2. 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal, they said. That means b square minus 4ac is 0. B is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k into 6 is 0. 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. 4k into here, 4k I have taken as common. 4k into k minus 6 is equal to 0. So k minus 6 is 0, so k is equal to 6. So please note it down. This is second problem, second bit. Now third problem. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth, means 2 times of the breadth, and area is 800 square meters? If so, find length and breadth. So let us consider breadth as x. According to the problem, length is twice, so length becomes 2x. Area is 800, so area formula L into B is 800. 2x into x is 800, so 2x square is 800. 2x square minus 800 is equal to 0. We have to convert it in the form of quadratic equation, because in the problem you see, is it possible to design a rectangular mangrove? Is it possible means discriminant you need to find out. So b square minus 4ac. Here there is no x, that means b is 0. So 0 minus 4 into 2 into minus 800 is 6400. So discriminant is greater than 0. So roots are real and distinct. So it is possible to design the rectangular field. It is possible, rectangular mango group. So x value is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. b is anyway 0, so plus or minus 600. So root of 6400 by 2a, that is 6400 means plus or minus 80 by 2a. 2 2s are 4, that is 20. So x value is 20 or minus 20. But since we cannot take a negative value as the sides, we have to take x as a 20. If x is a 20, x is nothing but breadth we have considered. So b is 20, and if b is 20, length is 2 into x, 2 into 20, 40. So length is 40 meters, breadth is 20 meters is the answer for this problem, children. So note it down. This is third problem. Now fourth sum. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Is the above situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. This is the question. Sum of the two friends they have given. So let the present age of first friend x years. We don't know. So second friend, we are considering it as x. So first friend age plus second friend age is 20. They have given a sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. So we are considering it as 20 years. Now x plus first friend age x we have understood now. So x plus second friend age is 20. So second friend age is 20 minus x years. 4 years ago, before 4 years, what is first friend's age? Is age, present age minus 4 years. Second friend age is present age minus 4 years, that is 20 minus 4, 16 minus x. So according to the problem, what is the problem says? Product of their ages, how many years? 4 years ago is 48. So x minus 4 into 16 minus x is 48. X minus 4, 16 minus x. So you see I have multiplied here 16 into x, 16x, plus into minus minus, 16 4s are 64, minus into plus minus, x into x, x square, minus into minus plus, x into 4, 4x. So 20x minus 64 minus x square we have got. That only I have written. This is equal to 48. That is minus x square plus 20x minus 64 plus 48. When it comes here, minus 48 is equal to 0. So minus x square plus 20x minus 112 is equal to 0, or x square minus 20x plus 112 is 0. So let us find out b square minus 4ac. Minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112. That is 400 minus 448. You are getting negative. B square minus 4 is less than 0. So there are no roots here because it is negative. So the given situation is not possible. This is the question answer for this problem, children. Fourth problem. Please note it down. Now fifth problem. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 40 square meters? If so, find its length and breadth. Comment on your answer. First you have to find out whether it is possible. then you have to go ahead with the problem. So according to the problem, perimeter is 2 into L plus B is 80. They have given a perimeter 80. So L plus B is 80 by 2. I send this 2 here, that is L plus B is 40. And also what they have given area, that is L into B is 400. So what is B? I sent L here, 400 by L. In this L plus B is 40. In the place of B, I wrote for 400 by L plus A. So L plus 400 by L is equal to 40. So LCM I took, that is L square plus 400 is equal to 40. L square plus 400 is 40L. So L square minus 40L plus 400 is equal to 0. So B square minus 4AC is minus 40 whole square minus 4 into A is 1 into 400. That is 1600 minus 1600, you are getting 0. So D is 0 means roots are real and equal. So let us see minus x value, that is root minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Minus of minus 40 plus or minus root of 0 by 2, that is 40 by 2, that is 20. So length is 20 meters. If length is 20 meters, what is breadth? 400 by L, 400 by 20, that is 20 meters. So in this case, what are we getting, children? Length is 20 and breadth is 20. Both of them are 2. Same figure, so same values. So it is a square park but not a rectangular park, because here you see comment on your answer. So basing on the answer, we are commenting that it is a square park but not rectangular park. So this is your fifth sum, children. Please note it down. With this, I have completed the chapter quadratic equations, children. In the next class, I will be dealing with the fresh chapter.